This is an important question if you are starting Meta ads. How much should your daily spend be on Meta? Watch this video to find out. There is not a right or wrong number here. You can spend as high as you want or as low as you want. You will need to be comfortable spending that amount. Usually we start testing with a lower amount to see what is working or not. The budget is small yet realistic. $5 and $10 is not realistic. Now, you will need to be strategic when spending the budget. Remember, if you spend higher, more people will see the ad, you will get more data and your campaign will optimize faster. On the contrary, if you spend smaller amount, less people will see the ads, you will get less data and it will take longer to optimize your campaign. Therefore, if you spend a lower budget, you will have to run the campaign a lot longer. So, more budget equals to more data. Data comes faster and your campaign will optimize faster, and less budget will equal to campaign will optimize slower. A realistic monthly budget is between $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Follow us to learn more on Meta ads.